You need to choose a video surveillance camera, but the range is huge. We, ISON, have been helping people protect their homes since 1996. Today, we present 5 key rules for choosing a camera. Let's go! Wired or Wi-Fi? We'll figure out which is better in 2025. Wired video surveillance cameras are reliable, but each camera requires a separate cable. Wi-Fi cameras are easy to install, but Wi-Fi has its limitations in terms of transmission range. If you have a standard house and there are a couple of walls at most between the cameras and the recorder, then a wireless system such as ISON AirPro Max X, which is designed for such obstacles, will suit you. Wi-Fi cameras are powered by a power outlet, which must be located somewhere near the camera. Wired cameras are powered by a power outlet near the recorder, which is usually placed near a TV or computer. Choose what is convenient for you. Cheap no-name cameras are a risk, so choose proven brands such as ISON, Sony, or Bosch. For serious protection, choose professional systems to minimize the risk of breakdowns and poor quality video recording at the most critical moment. Resolution: choose a good one. 720p is outdated. 2K, ideal for home use. 4K, premium, the best protection. Among budget models, the Acer Pro S and Acer Greco ready-made kits are popular. Among mid-range options, Acer Alpha. Among options with 4K shooting, ISON Alpha Pro X and ISON AirPro Max X. Night infrared black and white illumination is standard. Choose color night vision if it is important to see details at night. For example, the popular ISON Model Pro or ISON AirPro Max X video surveillance systems. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There is a lot of useful information here on choosing video surveillance cameras.